Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's your girl She, and today I have In-N-Out. The Burger Queen is at it again. I got a double. Check that out. Yummy. And some fries. So yeah, double fries. Excuse me. Anyways, we are here to give away some gift cards. Which I mean me, celebrating our 700 subscribers, but we actually have more. But not one, not two, but 3 Applebee's gift cards for $15 each. We're giving away 3 gift cards. So if you guys want to win these, all you got to do is be subscribed and comment below. And we will be picking winners randomly, and we'll announce them probably Sunday. Anyways, let's get into this food, you guys. If you guys want to win, comment below. And it doesn't have to be anything in particular. It could be whatever you like. You could say hi. I'm putting some of this spread on my fries. I don't know if any of you guys do that, but of course, it's like the animal style fries minus the caramelized onions. So now more spread, but on my double. So question, how do you guys like your hamburgers? Do you guys like doubles or just the regular hamburger? Let's open her up, shall we? Now I'm going to put some of this spread inside of here. Yummy. Get all that gooiness. Yes. I like mine sloppy. The sloppier, the better. So let's take a gigantic bite, shall we? Burger Click. Yes, we're the Burger Click. My girls know who I'm talking about. We love burgers and we eat them all the time. I'm so hungry, guys. I'm just gonna scarf this down. Sorry, guys. Be right back. I needed a new straw. When I was in the car, the straw was on the floor and it hit something, but I don't like it. I have to have a fresh straw. So, let me tell you what happened to me not long ago. I was so damn annoyed. I didn't say nothing though. I try to keep it classy, keep it moving. But let me know, should I have said something? Sorry, phlegm. Anyways, I went to Ulta, as you guys could see. Got Ulta. And the Ulta we have, they never had a security guard there before. Today they had a security guard there because I go there a lot. I shop there a lot, maybe like 3 times a month. Anyways, they had this new security guard there, and I came in and he was eyeballing me. It was kind of weird. Yeah, this dude start following me. Every aisle I went, he followed me. And he was like looking. I'm like, what the fuck? Are you serious? I felt like cussing his ass out, but there was a lot of people, you know? But I felt he was like pinpointing me, you know? Maybe because of how I look. I have no idea. Hold on, guys. So, I was in a hurry. I wanted to get my food. I was hungry. I kind of just like blew it off. But then when I thought about it, I was like, fuck, why did I let him do that? I should have said something, you know? All the money I spend in here and you're going to follow me like that? He reminded me of, you guys watch Martin? I don't know if you guys do, but there's a guy in there. His name's Old Otis. He reminded me of that security guard. He was a little old dude. And he was like, I'm like, with this little flashlight, like, come on now. You need to be following other motherfuckers because I spend money in here. And a lot of money. What would you guys would have done? Would have told him off, or would you just kept it moving like I did? I just kept it moving. I don't know, I just find that annoying. I really don't like these kind of fries from In-N-Out, but I'm hungry. They're too hard for me. I like, my favorite fries are from Johnny Rockets. You guys already know that's my favorite place, but they don't have one over here no more. They closed it down. Oh God, hold on, we need a knife. Open this shit. Anyways, I need more sauce in my life. More saucy. Yes. Look at that. Oh, yeah. More on my french fries. So, yeah. What's your guys' favorite fries? I don't know if I asked you guys this before, but from what fast food or restaurant? My word. So good. Not the fries, but the burger. They put a lot of onions in here. I love a lot of onions, but they put a lot. Messy. So delicious. Should have got 2 of these because I don't think I'm getting full. Yes, I'm a fatty. For those of y'all that don't know, I'm the Burger Queen. I could eat a lot of hamburgers almost every day. I could literally eat hamburgers every day. Look at all the fries I have still. My hamburger's almost gone. Yummy. I think I told you, but I don't remember if I did. This is lemonade. Sugar-free lemonade. Tastes like it has sugar though. So, I know most of you have tried, everyone's mostly tried In-N-Out. If you haven't, you better go try In-N-Out. Get a double-double. Some of this spread sauce, it's so bomb. Anyways, one more bite. Remember, guys, you want to enter to win one. Well, we're picking 3 winners. We're not picking one person that's going to win all 3. 3 people we're picking. So don't forget to comment below. And also, you have to be subscribed. So good luck to you guys. And we hope that, well, I'm not going to say we hope that someone wins. Of course, we want you guys to win, but we're gonna pick you guys randomly, okay? Hope you enjoy this mukbang of In-N-Out. Oh, I got one more thing to say, even though I said it again. Burger click. All right, hope you guys have a blessed weekend. Much love from me and Munch. See you.